What's going on, YouTube? I was at Lowe's today and seen this Bell and Howell BIONIC floodlight. I have some Bell and Howell stuff in the past, and it was okay while it lasted. For 30 bucks, I thought I'd give it a try. Covers over 1,000 square foot, or I mean over 1,000 foot, I'm sorry. You can do it for pathways or put on the house or patios, whatever. I don't have my tripod with me. I'm gonna try to mount it up here. I got the Harbor Freight one up there. It does pretty good, but I'm trying to cover a little more light here. So anyway, I thought I'll give this a try. So I'm assuming y'all know how to install these, but I will give a review and a follow-up soon. But these Harbor Freight lights are awesome. This one's $24.99 at Harbor Freight. It's the 500 lumen. And I got a few others on the house that work awesome. The sensitivity on these things are amazing. So anyways, we'll get up here and install the light. Alrighty. Okay, guys, that's what it looks like it's up when it's up. It did come with us a remote. You gotta pull a little plastic piece out. It's not responding right now, but the sun is still out, so it's probably just like those. We'll come test it out tonight. I should probably let it stay off and let it charge up a full day tomorrow and see what it does. Stay tuned. Hello, YouTube. This is well, this is about day 3. I put up this Bell and Howell light, and it doesn't work at all. Kind of a bummer. This Bunker Hill light works awesome. It's been up for several months. Awesome light. This little $10 light here, what is that, a Hyper Tough? $10 at Walmart. That's awesome, like 10 bucks. It's not like the Bunker Hill. Bunker Hill's like a white light, and this isn't, obviously. And this only comes on when it detects motion. Real cheap and simple to the point, but I was kind of hoping that Bell and Howell light would work, but oh well. It's going back to Lowe's. Have a good one.